machine. Take a look. Hey guys, this is my twinkle-dinkle vending machine. This is all of the food I have. Some yummy apple, some ice cream, yummy, Milos, biscuits, chocolates, and jellies. And this is the button that you press. Which one of these you have to press it? Example, if you want to buy an apple, press A. And then when you press it, it will come to the end. And then you can press buy. Then you press buy. Then this is the coin section. We put coins inside. Whee! This is an example that you can do it if you have a vending machine like me. Roll the clip.
Today I'm so hungry. I'm looking for a vending machine to buy some biscuit. Biscuit here. I have to press B here. B. So now it's coming. Have to put in the coins now for my biscuit. Coins is done. Well, I have to wait for the biscuit to come down.
Biscuit admin.
Oh, thank you. I have a biscuit now. Thank you. This is a cheese biscuit. Thank you. The vending machine is so great. Created by JRChong. That's great.
Now, that one was so fantastic. Thanks, Mommy, for volunteering. The next one is example 2 of having a vending machine like me. Roll the clip. Bing bong. Now, this is the example of number 2, having a great vending machine built by JRChong. Whoa, there's so many delicious snacks. I would like some jelly. That is my favorite. And the jelly alphabet is F. So let's get F here. F. Now put in the coins. The coin is right here. Okay, a jelly is 20 cents. Now let's put in 20 cents. Whee! I put in the 20 cents. Now let's wait for the food.
The jelly is ready to take.
Whoa! Mango flavor, my favorite. This vending machine is awesome, made by JRChong. Me. Thanks guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Mwah!